Hey Sean, this is Bobby with Herrera SEO and Marketing. This is your free action plan video that I promised. It's going to give you tips on how to increase your online presence and grow your revenue. If at the end you decide you want to take advantage of the steps on your own, feel free. Of course, I'm here to help if you want. So just give me a call and I'll see what we can do. The first thing that I'm going to show you is this tool that I use. It's called Ahrefs. Whenever I type in the word photography, Fort Worth, Texas, it's showing me that that phrase is searched approximately 300 times each month in Google, and it has a keyword difficulty rate of 8, which means that it's easy to rank. It's also showing me that the cost per click is $2.50. So if you want to buy a Google ad to rank up top with this keyword, you'll pay $2.50 each time somebody clicks on your ad. So I'm going to show you how everything looks whenever you do a search. I typed in that exact keyword phrase right here in the Google search bar. The first thing that populates right here is the map pack or the GMB section. So that means that no one has a Google ad for photography, Fort Worth, Texas. If they did, the ads would show up first. In order to get your Google My Business page listed right here, Google wants you to have your citations or your NAPs, which is your name, address, and phone number, listed in as many directories throughout the internet as possible. Whenever I click right here on Monica Castle Photography, it populates her or their GMB page. Another way for you to get ranked right here on the map section is to have a lot of Google reviews, 2 or 3 times as many as your competitor, to have 2 or 3 times as much photos as your competitor, and to have an about section that has organic keywords and that has your actual services in here. So I looked up I'm breaking the rules photography, and I noticed that you didn't have a GMB. So that's the first step that you need to take is create a GMB and put it in as many directories as possible. You have to have at least 2 or 3 times as many citations as your top competitor. I use this other tool called WhiteSpark. It's another paid tool, and I noticed that you guys have 13 citations and Monica Castle Photography has 16. So Google doesn't really see that as much as a difference unless it's at least 2 or 3 times as much. When I go back, I'm going to go back to this search bar. The next section right here, this is called the organic section, and this is where your website is listed. Whenever you click on this website right here, this is the home page right here. One of the highest ways to get listed on this organic section is based on how much knowledge you have about a particular search. So you have to have more knowledge than your competitor. And I use this keyword counter, and it's telling me that they have 580 words on their page. Google will rank the person that has the most words with keyword-rich content on their page. So in order for you to beat them, you need to have at least 2 to 3 times as many words as they have. But it's not the words or the keywords alone that get you to number 1. An important factor is also how many backlinks you have. So what a backlink is how many referring domains you have given your website on their page. Thus, it's giving you trust and popularity, and it's bringing your numbers up. So we see right here that this website, Megan Nelson, that she has 18 referring domains, so that's 18 businesses that's given her 507 backlinks. And so that's why she's number 1. But whenever I look right here, I see that her domain rating is kind of low. So these are not very strong domains. So what we can do for your website is find stronger domains to make this number go up, and you'll definitely be able to outrank her on that section right here. I also noticed that she has 338 organic keywords, and these organic keywords right here, they're giving her well, all of this combined is giving her organic traffic every month of about 379 visits. And if you look right here for her pay-per-click, you notice that she doesn't have any Google ads, but her traffic value is still $908. So basically, those are the three things that I wanted to go over for you. To recap, the first thing that you need to do is create a Google My Business page and make sure you get 2 or 3 times as many citations as your top competitor. You also need to create a website and make sure you have at least 1,000 to 1,500 words of keyword-rich content. And then you need to also find backlinks that are relevant to your niche, that is giving you trust and popularity. I hope that this video has taught you some things and to help you to grow your business. Of course, give me a call. This was a completely free video for you. The only thing that I ask is that you send me a Google review and let me know how you think I did. I'll give you a call here tomorrow. So I hope you have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.